Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi again. Let me continue example 5.2. Excel load column again. It's very similar to one that I've discussed with example 5.1 above. However, the only difference here is actually from this question here that the column is fixed at both ends about the z-axis, the minor axis, but pinned at both ends about the major axis. Meaning to say that the major axis, the LCR now is 1.0 because it is pinned, whereas at the z-axis here, which is the minor axis, it is fixed. So that's the reason why the coefficient factor is 0.7. Okay, so in this case, you need to check the N mean BRD, meaning to say that you need to check for the flexural resistance of buckling, of compression, not buckling, compression for both axes. That's the reason you take the minimum value, meaning to say that you need to calculate the NBRD for y-axis and NBRD for the z-axis. So you have to check both and get the minimum value. That will be the one will be used. Okay, as usual, the same. You try a section and then section number 1, step 1, section qualification is the same like above, and then number 2 here, the buckling resistance, step number 2. Okay, now it's the same formula here, but again, as I mentioned just now, you need to determine for both axes, the y and also the z. Okay, and BRD at both axes. Okay, so again, the same formulation is followed through. The only thing now, again, the same thing here. One is for the major axis, you have to find the lambda, and also the minor axis. And then from that, either you want to use method 1, then to me, just forget about method 2, right? And then you find the one which is more critical. In this case, the critical actually is the major axis, there, and then again you find the value of pi, and then the value of chi, right? And then you get the value of MBRD here. So it's same process. So in this case here, for the minor axis, you've got a value of 0.73, whereas for the major axis, you got this value now 0.96. So choose the minimum between the two, which is 0.3. Then the NBRD is 1321, and in this case here, you can see that 1400 divided by 1321, then the section actually fail, is inadequate, and is inadequate. So if it is adequate, what you have to do? You have to change a bigger section. Okay, right. Thank you.